How to screenshot Snapchat without them knowing. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can screenshot on Snapchat without notifying the other user or without notifying the user from the chat that you took screenshot of. Now if you open up Snapchat app and head into chat here, basically if you open any text and if you screenshot, they'll be notified that you took a screenshot of the chat. Now this is due to the privacy and security reasons on Snapchat. Now to bypass the security, what you can do is, now here the trick is, as you can see, I'm already recording right now. You can see I'm screen recording this to make a video here, but if I'm heading with any chat, no notification is been sent that I'm screen recording the chat. So the trick here is, what you can do is you can head into your Play Store and search in and download for Screen Recorder app. Now simply search in for Screen Recorder, or if you have default Screen Recorder, simply scroll down your notification bar and you'll find Screen Recorder. Simply start recording your screen and head into chat and then open up the chat. And once you open up the chat, what you can do is, once you screen record, simply head into your gallery and from there you can play the video that you recorded. You can play the screen recording and you can screenshot the chat from there. So this way you can screenshot Snapchat without them knowing or without notifying the user. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.